Gold and silver both traded precisely in a no trade zone, as we discussed in the Asia session update today morning, that 1920 1930 levels one has to remain careful. At the same time, for silver it was 23 and 2320 levels precisely, both traded in the same zone. So now what to expect, which direction we can expect a breakout, which position we should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now look at the hourly charts, higher highs, higher lows, pretty much in the zone. Certainly 1920 is a greater support, below which yes you can remain short. At the same time, one must observe that a rise and a flag formation is observed here. Hence, any rise above 1930 you can buy, but then 1935, as we can see, double top levels, only about 1935 further bullishness will be observed. Till 1950 you have to put a $5 trailing stop loss. So once again, a buying entry was only above 1930 levels. Now look at the hourly charts. You can see a retracement, a recovery. It is trading in this bullish channel. This time it is reversed from around these levels and now trying to look back up. So possibly once it stays above 1930, then certainly more bullishness will be observed. This is very clear, and right now it is trading precisely in a no trade zone. We have to remain careful within this. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD is slightly bearish here on the hourly charts. RSI is almost flat, and on the 2 hour charts the observation is almost same what we have seen on the 2 hour charts. You can still see here higher highs, higher lows. Stochastic here is rising. The MACD here is willing to cross over for a sell. It is not yet crossed over, almost trying to converge a bit, but still you can see that see first wave completed, second wave almost reversing from a slightly lower level. So be careful, it is not yet a complete crossover. RSI is flat, and on the 3 hour we have a similar observation here, lower highs, lower lows, flag formation. Wait for a breakout. Certainly a breakout will fetch better results. If you look at stochastic, this is seen rising. MACD is in green, RSI almost flat, and on the 4 hour charts also you can observe here on the 4 hour. See, first of all, the previous to previous candle was a good swing candle where you can see a sharp bearish move, then a pullback here. A sharp pullback is also seen, and since then we have seen higher lows, higher highs. So we have to wait till here. We have to wait till 1928 and 30 levels. Once it breaches, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Also, you must observe that the moving averages on the 4 hour chart, that is the 20 and 50 period, have shown a bullish crossover here. So possibly it may try to diverge a bit before looking forward to a crossover again for the sell entry. Right now it is shown a buy crossover here. RSI stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell, but it is not yet. RSI is flat, and on the daily chart, now look at the daily chart. See, there is a push from the 20 period exponential moving average, which it has already achieved. In fact, it has went above this 20 period moving average last week. Now trying to trade below. It is slightly bearish. However, one must observe that higher lows are seen, and it is following the trend line here. The highs at around 1940-45 levels, and that is why I say you can buy at 1930. However, one has to remain extremely watchful for 1935, 40, and then till 1950 one has to remain watchful. That should be the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. If you look at the complete movement for last few weeks, you will observe that gold is trading sideways in this bearish channel. A breakout is what it is awaited. It is yet not willing to give a breakout, and hence we have to be careful. Stochastic is rising here. MACD crossing over for a buy. That is a good sign on the daily charts. Divergent here. RSI is flat. And considering this, between 1920 30, do not take any position. Above 30 till 1950, we have to put a $5 trailing stop loss. Below 1920, 1914 16 first zone, 1910 the next support. 1910 now is a very good support. Below 1910 further bearishness will be observed. If you look at silver now, and yes, before we proceed, you can join my mentorship batch starting today, and also the next batch is going to get announced soon. Today is the 23rd batch which is beginning. You can still join, be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the first before coming to the daily charts, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now on the hourly chart, see the base here, rise, retracement. Again the base here, 3 candles getting the support precisely from the 20 period moving average, which means 2302. And yes, that is why I say a sell entry is below $23 only. If you see it trading below 23, you can take a sell entry here. And see, the resistance is also very much intact. It is not willing to go past 2310, 2315, and then 2320 is the ultimate resistance. And hence, I will only recommend you to buy here at 2320 levels, which is a greater resistance zone, beyond which certainly more bullish momentum may follow. Also, if you look at the hourly charts closely, see almost symmetrical formation here. If you divide it into two, here also consolidation, but here it was a green candle, so here it should be a red candle then, because this is symmetrical formation, and symmetrical formation means it should replicate this. But yes, right now it is willing for a breakout, and the breakout could be in the same direction. Possibility exists for this, because see the rise, consolidation, and a breakout should be in the same direction. So yes, a buy entry, you can buy at 2315, but then till this zone is passed by, till 2340, we have to remain extremely watchful, cautious, alert. In fact, 2350, and hence till 2350, you have to just put a tension trailing stop loss, or if you are taking a buy entry, you have to put your stop loss at your entry price itself and keep the trade safe. Stochastic has dropped, MACD crossing over for a sell here, and a V-shaped recovery here, but right now trading with a divergence and showing still signs of bearishness. RSI rising, and on the 2-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. One must observe here lower highs, and this complete drop is nullified and it has fallen back within this zone, and hence it has to break past at least 2320 levels for further bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green and it is willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI flat, and on the 3-hour charts, now see on the 3-hour charts also, one must observe on the daily charts also, these two lines are coming from the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is trading in this channel, and you can see rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now again rising, median of this channel, and the highs of this channel are at 2350 levels. Stochastic again trying to recover a bit, trying to rise. MACD is trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI flat, and on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, two drop candles, then again trying to trade bullish. However, greater resistance here, greater support here. In between 23 and 2320, certainly more you can say resistance and support is seen at these levels. Stochastic have dropped here, MACD is in green, RSI is flat, and on the daily charts, coming to the daily charts, we have seen a swing here. Right now it has come back to the, you can say, the position from where it has started. It has formed a tail, and it can try to form a wick out here, or you can say upper body out here. Hence, probably once it stays about 2315 and 2320 levels, you can expect a little rise. Be careful here. It is also, this line is coming from the long-term bearish channel from in which silver is trading. You can see this, and hence it is very much now near to the breakout. Stochastic rising, MACD is also rising, divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2315 or 2320, those who wants to take a safer entry. But then till 2350, one has to remain extremely careful, extremely watchful, extremely observant, because it can reverse any point of time from those levels, and hence, and on the downside till 2280, yes, we have to remain watchful and careful. 2290, 2280, very very good support. On those who want to take a safe entry should wait for 2290 levels, else you can sell here at 23 itself. Take your positions accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, and before leaving the video, just press the like button and do share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.